guys, welcome to my tutorial. For this time I'm going to teach you how to create an interface with HTML. It's going to be like a form with having your name, your age and so on. So let me start with HTML tag. So I have opened a new, this is called Notepad++. So you can install, you can even do this with your normal notepad which is in your laptop. So I'm using a Notepad++ so that it will show you the errors easily and you can rectify it immediately. So let me teach you from the beginning, that means from the header tag. So I'm entering an HTML. So if you need to rectify your errors immediately, definitely start saving your file first and then you can go. So I'm saving this as interface.html. So you can save it anywhere you want. In this case I'm saving it in my desktop. So I have saved. Now we can identify whatever is happening, whatever the error. So there's no error in HTML, kind of that you can. So next we are going to create a body tag. So within that, before I want to give a heading for this. So let it be, I'm closing my head tag also over here. So let it be, I'm in this we have 6 types of header tags, h1 to h6, which will reduce from size, like h1 is for the bigger size, h2 is for the smaller size, and so on. So let me go for h2 and slash h2, and I'm going to name this as a form. Okay, a form which will have certain things. That certain things should be done in your body tag. So let me enter into a body tag. I'm completing my body tag. And one more thing is, HTML is case sensitive, no problem whether you're using a capital or small letter. And let me end my HTML tag. So now we're going to give an input to our body tag. So let me say, first we have a name, then we have to create an age block, then we have to create a phone number block, then a pin code block and a nationality block, and a OK button and a cancel button. This is our project. So first I'm creating a name. So I'm writing it as name, and I'm gonna, like, it's like this, it will be displayed as name. And now I need a text field to enter our name. So I'm creating a text field. So input type is gonna be text, and I can even set max, I can even set max length, that is how much length I want the text bar to be. So let me set it around 20. Okay, so it should be written in this, and max length is equal to 20. You can also set ID for it, which will help you in JavaScript. Always give an ID, which is really a very good practice. And I'm ending it. You're supposed to end like this. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's done. So next I have to have an age. So let me copy the same thing, cause okay. So yeah, so I have to change my ID alone. This I'll name it as 2, and next I'll be having my pin code or phone. Okay, let me complete with phone number. So it will be like phone number. Okay, it's alright, phone number. So I'm copying the same thing. So I'm changing my ID, and next I'm gonna give you like a pin code. Okay, let me change it to caps. Pin code, and I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm gonna change the ID 4. And at last I'm gonna have a nationality. So let me have nationality. Okay, and I'm gonna put the same thing. Okay, and done. Now I have to create a button. So how will you create a button? To create a button, just type button. Okay, though it's case sensitive, I always use smaller letters because it gives a good look. So button, Okay, the name of the button over here, let it be like OK button, and I'm closing the button. Okay, sorry. So yeah, and I also want a cancel button, so let me take it as cancel button, cancel, and it's gonna be like slash button. Okay, I'll show you the output. The thing is, you get everything in a straight order, like side by side. So I don't want that. I'll tell you how to make it into the next line, what you're going to use. Just save it, Control S and Control F5 to run, or just F5. So you have to set a path. So where is my file? I've stored it in desktop. In desktop, my file name is interface.html. You get it. That's all. Now run. Okay, can you see how my form has come out? So I want like it should be like one after the another. So what I am supposed to do over here is create a break statement over here, break. Yeah, then at this, after this end of the statement, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to do the same thing for this. And okay, that's all. I want OK button and cancel button in the same way how it is. So okay, if you want to set length of the button, you can also set length. Sorry, it's gonna be like max length. Yes, yeah, let me take it as 10 is my max length of the button. Okay, so let me, okay, save it. Now I'm gonna run F5, and I'm gonna just, so now we got a list like this, which you have a form. So you have created a form. Just give a form tag over here, which will make your, which will give you a clear condition of what created form is also a tag. Okay, you got the same thing. So you have to use JavaScript to make these buttons work. We will see in the next video how to make these buttons work.